Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can already tell by the video's title, or if you guys are looking at the screen right now, we're going to be talking about Fetch.ai. This project has been in the markets for quite some time, and I remember when this project originally came out back in 2019 when the Binance IEO launchpad was extremely hyped. And now this project is gaining so much traction lately, and if you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the end, and I am getting a lot of requests to cover this project. So if you like this, like the video, come join the Crypto ZX army. But now let's get right in today's topic. Looking at the price of Fetch.ai, it's currently trading at 45.4 cents, up 36.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. And you guys can see it's also up about 40% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. One thing you can see is that Fetch.ai has re-entered the top 100 cryptocurrency market valuation. So that is definitely a very bullish thing to point out. And the overall market cap is $473.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is $400 million as well. So without a doubt, we can clearly see that there is a lot of hype coming into Fetch.ai right now. If we're looking at the bigger picture, guys, look what it has done in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days alone, it's up 325%, but let's forget that. Look at the last 24 hours, it's up 35.9%. So in this video, we're going to discuss what are some next price targets we should be looking at. Are there some next level of price targets that we should be watching out for, where we could face some resistance? We're going to get into that detail right now. But before we jump into the charts, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let me take you guys down memory lane for Fetch.ai. As mentioned, back in 2019, we saw this project launch on the Binance IEO. And you guys can see clearly this thing was listed at 48 cents. And that's exactly where the price is sitting at right now, years down, like 4 or 5 years later. We are seeing the price sitting exactly at that level of resistance. And keep in mind, this is a massive level of resistance for Fetch.ai. But there's something very interesting I'm going to share with the holders that you guys will really like. But obviously, you know, it was launched in the bear market, because back in 2019, early on, we were still in a bear market. And you guys can see since then, the price really saw a massive accumulation happen, and then finally saw, you know, some sort of uptick back in August of 2020. But still, we really accumulated before, February 5th, where we really saw this thing pop out. And, you know, fast forward this year, last bull cycle, though, you guys can see the price went up to $1.20. Yes, you heard that right. And if we measure it from all-time highs to, now price, we're down about 62.2% away from all-time highs. And this is very exciting. Fetch.ai is moving up very quick, and all the AI project are gaining a lot of traction. If you keep an eye out right now, majority of the AI projects are starting to gain a lot of traction. You know, obviously ChatGPT hype that's going on right now, that robot thing where it literally does anything for you. Ask a question, it's going to do everything for you. Now we're seeing a lot of those AI type of projects really starting to gain traction, and Fetch.ai has really been gaining a lot of traction lately right now. And you know, you guys can see over the last few months, we saw the price accumulate around that 6 cents mark, 5 cents mark. And if you picked up some Fetch.ai just at the beginning of this year, which was at 8.6 cents, you are already up 428%, guys. This is mind-blowing right now. This is actually mind-blowing. That was a very sweet time to be picking up some altcoins, and we've seen that happen across the board, not just Fetch.ai, but this project is gaining a lot of steam. And remember, majority of the Binance IEO projects that launched, Binance will always support them, because Binance obviously went through the research process, really picked these coins to really launch them on their Binance IEO back in 2019, and they'll always have its back. And right now we're seeing something very interesting that I wanted to share with you guys. We're seeing the most buying pressure in the history of Fetch.ai come out this year. You guys can see it for yourself. December 9th was the all-time high, and after that it's now, obviously we have not seen the volume go down up to that December levels, but we're still seeing extreme buying pressure coming into Fetch.ai. So what's going on? Where is this really headed? You guys can see, if I zoom out into the charts now, we broke past this insanely important level of resistance, which was at the 44.5 cents level, and we're back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. This is, once again, it has a lot of resistance still there. Even though we broke out of this level of resistance, there's still quite a bit of resistance coming up right now. But if we clear this thing up, guys, at this rate this thing is really flying right now, I would not be surprised the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level being reclaimed, you know, sooner rather than later. Last time the price was back in the 0.50 was last January 5th, so last year. So right now, obviously we would want this thing to support this level of support. Obviously it was playing as a level of resistance for us. Now it should play as a level of support for Fetch.ai, because now it turned into a level of support, because it was playing as a level of resistance. So what I would personally like Fetch.ai to do is stay above this level of support. Even if we do see a little bit of a cool off, this is where we need to be supported by, and that is going to be the bullish thing to note. And if we're looking at BTC is obviously taking a little bit of a cool off right now. Nothing to worry about. Remember, Bitcoin has seen insane growth this year in 2022. 2023. The year has started off on such a positive note, so we need to see a little bit of a cool off before we do see this continuation pattern towards the upside. Always remember that. But obviously the DXY index, the dollar, US dollar index is going up, and obviously there's a negative correlation between those two. Meaning when DXY goes up, the cryptocurrency market does tend to go down. So that's obviously one factor we do need to keep in mind. But as I've said in my previous videos, the trend has been set. But as far as Fetch.ai is concerned, guys, this thing is ripping really fast. And if you picked up around these levels, guys, I really strongly hope you guys have extreme stop losses in place, because if you want to lock in profits and let's say you've made insane amount of gains, keep your stop losses in place. I strongly encourage that. But this thing is ripping, and at this rate, like I said, if it clears this zone at the 54.5 cents, I could see it go back into the 0.50. This is getting very exciting. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. If you guys want me to make more updates on Fetch.ai, let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.